Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Philips Fidelio L3 headphones with your MacBook. So first of all, you have to locate the power button. It's just right here, and also we have to take a look for the small indicator. Let me just catch focus on it. There we go. So here it is. We have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking. There we go. And right now all I have to do is just open the Bluetooth settings on our MacBook. So let's do this right now. And we have to select the Philips Fidelio L3. So click connect. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.